Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can have your iPhone or iPad read text to you. First of all, go to Settings, then tap Accessibilities, and then tap Spoken Content. Turn Speak Selection on. Now it can read text from notes, mail, books, Safari, and other selected apps. So let's try it. First of all, select the sentence or paragraph you want to read. After selecting what you want your iPhone or iPad to read to you, tap Speak.
Summer is in full swing.
And just like that, you can have your iPhone or iPad read text to you. You can also customize how you use spoken content in the spoken content settings. With typing feedback, your iPhone or iPad can speak each character, entire word, autocorrection, autocapitalization, and all sort of stuffs. In voices option, you can choose different languages and different actions. You could change the speaking rate. If you drag it to the left, the speaking rate will decrease, but if you drag it to the right, the speaking rate will increase. And you can use pronunciations for tricky words which you have hard time pronunciating. So that was it for this video. Hope this video is helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.